to all of you. Today's English class is grammar. Question tags. Question tags are small questions which are added to a sentence, usually used in the spoken English. That is, in our day-to-day speaking, we can ask a question not in the proper way of questions, but we can add a question tag at the end of the sentence. For example, it is hot today, isn't it? It is hot today is the sentence. It is hot today is the sentence. Isn't it? When we add isn't it, it becomes a question. That is, in the usual spoken language, this can be used. Today, we are going to talk about more about the question tags. Question tags are two types, negative and positive. Isn't it is a negative. Isn't is not. Isn't means is not. It is a negative question tag. Is it is a positive question tag. Is it positive question tag. It isn't hot today, is it? It isn't hot today, is it? What is the difference there? It isn't hot today. That is the sentence. The sentence is negative there. It isn't hot today. It is not hot today. The negative sentence. With the negative sentence, question tag we add positive. Is it? It isn't hot today. It is not hot today. Is it? That is, with the negative sentence, we add a positive question tag, and with the positive sentence, we add a negative question tag. It is hot today, isn't it? It isn't hot today, is it? Another example. You are going, aren't you? You are going, aren't you? So the format of the question tag is you are going, comma, that is the sentence, then a positive or negative sentence, then a comma and the question tag. If the sentence is negative, question tag should be positive. If the sentence is positive, question tag should be negative. Last, question mark. You are going, comma, aren't you? Question mark. You aren't going, comma, are you? Question mark. Now, how do we use the tags? Where we have to use is, are, etc. We know that is used with the singular subject. We have to consider the subject. Where we have to use is, are, etc. It depends upon the subject of the sentence. If the subject is singular, we have to use singular form. If the subject is plural, we have to use plural form. For example, I am right, aren't I? I am not wrong, am I? When we use I, you have to use I only. In the negative sentence, positive tag, am I? I am not wrong, am I? I am not wrong, am I? It is a negative sentence and a positive tag. In the same condition, I am right. I am right is the positive sentence, but the question tag is aren't I? Aren't I? Not am. Here we have to use a are. Aren't I? I am right. Aren't I? Another example. It is raining hard, isn't it? It is. It is. Then we have to use isn't it. It is, isn't it? He is your friend. He is your friend. Isn't he? He isn't he? They are in the cupboard. They are in the cupboard. Aren't they? They is the subject there. They are in the cupboard. Aren't they? They aren't very big. They aren't very big, are they? They aren't. They aren't is a negative sentence. Are they? They is the subject. I am not hurting you. I am not hurting you. Am I? I am not hurting you. It is a negative sentence. So am I? This is the end. This is the end. Isn't it? This is the end. Isn't it? There we don't have a subject is this. This is the subject, so we have to use a it. It is it. This is the end, isn't it? They haven't come yet. Have they? He hasn't won the election. He hasn't. He is a subject. He is a singular, so we have to use has. He hasn't won the election. Has he? Has he? Just interchange the the verb and the subject. Has he? You mustn't attend his wedding. Must you? You must not. You must not attend his wedding. Must you? I am busy today. I am busy today. Aren't I? Already I told when we use I in the positive sentence, the negative tag is aren't I, not am I. In the negative tag is aren't I. I am busy. I am busy today. Aren't I? But when the sentence is negative using I am not wrong. I am not wrong. I. Here we use am only. I am not wrong. I. They sing a song. They sing a song. Don't they? She drinks coffee, doesn't she? She is a singular. She drinks. Drinks is a singular. She drinks coffee. Doesn't she? She does. Doesn't she? But when you use a they you have to use a do. They is a plural, so we use a do. They don't come here, do they? They don't come here, do they? Like that, other will and won't. Will and won't. You will give me a glass of water, won't you? Like that, a few, and little and a little. That already I have done the videos. A few means a positive. Some are there. A few means a some. Few means a negative. Few means negative. Few means a nothing. Like that, a little. A little is a positive. Something is there. But when we use little, you have to use a take it as a negative. Little means a nothing is there. There is a little water in the well. That is, there is no water in the well. Is there? There is no water in the well. Is there? Like that. Nobody. Nobody is a nothing. Nothing is there. Nobody. Nobody answered. Did they? Nobody answered. Did they? Answered is a past tense. Answered is past tense, so we have to use the past tense. Did. Did. Everybody wants to see. Everybody wants to see. Don't they? Don't. Do we use because everybody wants. Wants is a present tense. Everybody means all. All is a plural, and wants is a present tense. Everybody wants. Everybody wants. Do we have to use negative. Don't they is a plural, do is the present tense. So Thank you for watching. Completely watch all my videos and subscribe also.